Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your capture gallery on your Xbox Series X or S. So if you have video recordings that you want to go ahead and view, this is easy to do. Now, there's two different ways that you can do it. The first way is to press the Xbox button, go on over to Captures and Shares, scroll on down to Recent Captures. Then under here, you can see all the video recordings that you went ahead and recorded. So here's the finals, Fortnite, etc. But we can scroll all the way down to Show All, and we can see every video recording under here. Now, if you want to find the Capture Gallery application, we want to press the Xbox button, then go to My Games and Apps, and then go to See All, then go down to Apps and go to the right and find Captures right here. So I have mine sorted A to Z. So let's go to Captures. I'll open up the same screen. Then we can go to On the Console or Xbox Network. We can go to All Captures. Then we can go by game, or we can manage it right here if we want to go ahead and delete them. Multiple captures at the same time, or if we want to go ahead and upload them or copy to external drives, etc. So otherwise you have the option to view them by selecting them with A. So let's go to Minecraft from 3 years ago. So this is my video clip, and it sounds like I added a voiceover back when there was an editor on the Xbox. I don't think there is any longer, but you can easily view your captures right here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.